In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dismiss employee in Gusto. Before we begin, a quick note on context. In Gusto, dismissing or removing an employee is an administrative action that takes them off your active roster. Make sure you have the appropriate admin or HR permissions in your account and that you've double-checked company policies and any legal requirements that apply to your organization. It's also a good idea to have the employee's details handy so you can verify you're working with the correct profile. Start on your Gusto dashboard and look for the People area in the main navigation. This is your hub for everyone on your team, including active employees and, depending on your setup, contractors or new hires in progress. Click People to open the list. If you manage a larger team, use search or filters to quickly find the person you intend to remove. Taking a moment to confirm the name, role, and location ensures you're acting on the correct record. Once you've found the right person, move your cursor to their row in the list. On the far right, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Actions menu. Click those 3 dots to open the quick actions available for that individual. This menu helps you access employee-specific options without navigating away from the list, which reduces clicks and helps prevent opening the wrong profile. From that Actions menu, choose Remove. This tells Gusto you want to take the employee off your active roster. At this point, Gusto may display a prompt to summarize what removal means for access and records. This is designed to prevent accidental changes, so pause and read what appears on screen. You're looking to verify that you have the correct person and understand the effect of the removal on things like account access and visibility. As you proceed, keep a few best practices in mind. Coordinate internally about payroll timing so there are no surprises in the current pay period. If your company tracks time off or reimbursements in Gusto, make sure those entries are up to date beforehand. If benefits are involved, review how removal could affect eligibility windows with your benefits administrator. None of this changes the simple flow you just followed. It simply helps your records stay accurate. That's all there is to it. Open People, use the 3-dot menu for the correct individual, and select Remove. With a moment of verification and clear internal communication, the process stays clean, accurate, and compliant for your team.